Okay. Good evening, everybody. As you know, yesterday we had 24 positive samples. 24. Out of 673 samples which went under test. And again, all 24 were from BSF. From BSF. There was one case from Kamalpur Hospital of BSF 3rd Battalion, where a sub-inspector was also found positive. He was working in the line BOP near Kamalpur sub-division and was admitted for complaint on fever, flu and coughing. So, his sample was also taken, and before the result came out, he was already GB because the symptoms had aggravated. So he had already there, and other 23 are now already admitted in the GB. Now, as the numbers are increasing, government has decided that Shahid Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel will be converted to a dedicated COVID care center. And from tomorrow onwards, if we have any more patients, we would use that facility for their accommodation. And that place would be used for keeping the persons with mild symptoms and asymptomatic persons. We expect that there will be initially 200 seats available for such patients, and if required, it can further be increased. So this will run in parallel with our GB and other facility which I had mentioned yesterday. Now, today efforts have gone post declaration of positive result of that Kamalpur patient. Dhalai BOP area has also been declared a containment zone as per the procedure, and the mopping of operation and surveillance has started. The contacts are being traced. So we are working on, because this BOP comes under 3rd Battalion located at Nalkata. Some of the Nalkata BSF personnel we had tested earlier in connection with our first patient, but this person has no link with that first person. He was posted in BOP since 14th March itself, working there. So his nearby contacts, etc., they have been traced, samples are being collected. In Kamalpur containment zone, about 4,800 persons are residing. So they have been appraised of the situation and measures are being taken for containment. Now, on the sampling fronts, since the first patient reported in the line, we have taken till today evening about 1,200 plus samples on contact tracing basis. Sample taking of 138 Battalion, both serving personnel and family members, is complete. Today, 86 Battalion, all personnel sample have been taken, and of the family members, 27 samples have been taken. They will be further taken. So by and large, this is the development for today. For some statistics purposes, since the beginning we started the quarantine process, we have put about 13,000 persons under quarantine, out of which 11,500 have completed. As of today, there are 448 persons under facility quarantine and 1,252 under home quarantine. We have tested about 7,400 plus samples, and total 89 have been found positive, who have recovered, one has left the state before the result came, and others are in GB, except one child who is in the care of DSF hospital. So this in brief is for today. If you have any question.
So is there any initiative to collect the samples from other BSF headquarters?
Yes, we have had discussion with the IG. So now we are working on how to take some samples on random basis from their other battalion headquarters also.
Sir, what about the report of BSF-IC case of regarding?
Yes, we had got a report from BSF-IC. It did give information on the first patients which came. While details were there. Yesterday we had a meeting. Honorable CM had taken a meeting and we discussed the further. So further detailed report, because every day situation is evolving, we are likely to receive. So that will give.
What about the source of infection? What they say about it?
We are still working on backward basis to find the source of infection. But as I had mentioned earlier, the BSF, what they are saying is in post-lockdown, no person from outside has come. So those who have come before lockdown, some of it might be the source of infection. But because it's a 28-day cycle, most likely he has recovered. So as of today, he is a negative, but he may have infected somebody who then have infected somebody, the chain has started. However, because its number is increasing, we are in touch with NCDC, National Center for Communicable Diseases. For disease, they deal with the communicable disease, and we have requested them to come to Tripura, do the investigation and analysis, so that we can have a better appreciation how things have spread and also how it may turn out. They are the best agency in the country to deal with the communicable disease.
Do they say about that it is from civilians and this kind of information you have?
Who said?
This IPSF side? There is no sir.
We don't deal with the speculations. If we have the tracing which leads to a civilian or leads to a service personnel, it will be definite. But there is no such statement made.
So after hospital में तो
last he had come on 6th May. Okay. But it is reported that earlier also he had come as a OPD patient. Got it checked. We are not sure on which ailments. And then he had gone. But he came as an inpatient on 6th. 7th he was transferred to the Lajos. When he came on 6th, 6 sample was collected. 7th he was transferred to the GB hospital.
So, like all those who are tested positive, all are asymptomatic till now?
Except 2. The first one was from where the chain started. And second one is that Kamalpur one. When they came, they were symptomatic. The first one did not have the classical symptom. He had the stomach pain and fever, which is not the classic. Classic is cough, respiratory problem and fever, which second one had. First one had the stomach, which is now that knowledge is evolving that having a stomach pain, loss of smell and loss of taste, etc. is also a symptom which should be watched. So he fell in that category.
The first person you are talking about, what was his travel history? When he came to BSF last, what was his travel history?
His travel history, he came on 11th March from a 1-month holiday from his home. Since then, till on 24th, 22nd, when he was posted at Karina BOP, he was in the battalion headquarters, working as quartermaster or helper to the quartermaster. In between, on 2nd and 4th, he had gone to Gandachira once for some administrative job. He went there, did the job and came back. So 22nd he went to the Karina BOP. 23rd he complained of the pain. So he was brought to his Gandachara Adam base, which is another BOP. 24th he was in Gandachara hospital, and 25th he was there. 26th he was shifted to Ulai, and then the rest is known to all of us.
Another question, sir, I have is since so many
उनके रिगार्डिंग इनके जो एडमिट हुए थे उनके रिगार्डिंग कितनों को क्वारंटाइन किया गया और सैंपल दिए गए?
जो बीएसएफ पर्सनल था वो सब इंस्पेक्टर था,
अच्छा सर,
ठीक है। तो उसके तहत ये कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल से 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया था, है बल्कि 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया है। जब वो आया था तब कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल में they did a very good thing. They kept them under a separate flu ward, so no other patient or anybody else came in his contact. So the staff to whom they had reported, who had taken care of him for a day, that those 6 personnel have been identified and quarantined. Thankfully, everybody is negative, so that's a very good news. Now, their buses, which had brought them from Kota, they have refused to go beyond Dharnagar. So the drivers are not coming. Many of them have left on their own, managing private vehicles. Those who are left, about 100 plus, DM North is now arranging the vehicle locally to send them to their respective districts.
total number and all?
There were total 262 persons, including the drivers, 10 buses. So we have about 240 or so our own students.
Students or parents are also?
Parents are
Parents are.
the students are there. Maybe I have no idea, but our own people are around buses and all should live around 240 are there.
In that case, are we using these buses for sending the people of Rajasthan
Yes.
also?
Yes. So yesterday I had mentioned that we have an arrangement, and earlier we had planned that they will come to our Agartala and then carry their passengers back. So those bus owners have told their drivers they won't go. So they had done it. And they have told that they would charge a money from everybody going to Kota. They have mentioned an amount. Now we have conveyed it to everybody in all 4 districts that this is the money they are charging. If they are willing to do, we are providing our TRTC buses to carry them from here to Dharnagar. Then they can board the bus and go. So that we are doing.
So that money will be borne by the Tripura government.
No.
There will be
They are these
individual.
persons.
Okay, you are only just arranging, facilitating the process.
We are facilitating the process, we are providing the buses for them and all that.
So it will be on 10th of May.
Yes, as of now it's a 10th May schedule, but because this bus is not coming in new development, so our DMs are working for today. But today is 8th, so we hope 10th.
तो बाहर से हमारे त्रिपुरा के यहाँ पर लाने के लिए कुछ ट्रेन का कुछ बंदोबस्त हो रहा है?
We have requested to the concerned nodal officers and the district administration in the states where our people are there. Now, based on our request, they are supposed to, in fact, they are to get in touch with the railway authorities, and on prioritization basis, whenever we get the allotment for the rake, they will inform us, and then we are ready for this.
Sir, how is the condition of the infected child and the mothers?
The mother of the child is not infected. That retest we are doing.